Subscribe the channel PE everyone and press the bell icon for more updates. Let's begin. Alright, anything else to say? Saida was mazid سوال غواړي. Alright, anything else to say? This is what I want to emphasize. په دې خبره خو زه زور ورکوم. This is what I want to emphasize. Is that fact? آیا دا رښتیا دي؟ Is that fact? I shall try my best to handle the situation. زه به د حالات قابو کولو کې خپل پوره کوشش کوم. I shall try my best to handle the situation. It is life and death question for me. دا ما د پاره د مرګ او ژوند سوال دی. It is life and death question for me. It's easy to say but difficult to commit. دا خبره کول آسان دي خو کول ډیر ګران دي. It's easy to say but difficult to commit. For God's sake stop it. د خدای د پاره دا بند کا. For God's sake stop it. What sort of assurance can you provide? ته د دې شي څه ضمانت ورکوې؟ What sort of assurance can you provide? Who will bear the expenses of your visit? ستا د دورې خرچه به څوک ورکوي؟ Who will bear the expenses of your visit? Bring a Pepsi for me. ماله یو پیپسی راوړئ. Bring a Pepsi for me. What would you like to have? ته به څه اغسته خوښئ؟ What would you like to have? Room is clean and well ventilated. کمره صفا او هواداره ده. Room is clean and well ventilated. I have full faith in you. زما پتا پورا باور دی. I have full faith in you. The things may take a happy turn. کېدې شي حالات ښه شي. The things may take a happy turn. But it does not take much time. خو په دې سیوا وخت نه لګي. But it does not take much time. But we can't do anything. خو مونږ هیڅ نشو کولی. But we can't do anything. Please don't violate any traffic rule. مهرباني وکړه د امدو ربط هیڅ قانون مه ماتوه. Please don't violate any traffic rule. Please drop me here. ما دلته کوز کا. Please drop me here. It's great of you that you stopped for me. ستا مهرباني ده چې ته ما د پاره ودرېدې. It's great of you that you stopped for me. Sorry for the inconvenience. د تکلیف د پاره بهانه. Sorry for the inconvenience. Games teach us discipline. لوبې موږ ته سمون ښیي. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ لوبې موږ ته ادب ښیي. Games teach us discipline. Here is a good news for you. ستا د پاره ښه خبر دی. Here is a good news for you. Certainly doctor I will. یقینا ډاکټر زه به دا خامخا وکم. Certainly doctor I will. I hope you will follow my instructions. هیله کوم چې ته به زما په ښوونه عمل وکې. هیله کوم یعنی امید لرم. ښوونه یعنی نصیحت. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ امید لرم چې ته به زما په نصیحت عمل وکې. I hope you will follow my instructions. You should go for a walk in morning. تا له سحر وختي سیل لتله پکار دی. You should go for a walk in morning. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ تا له سحر وختي واک لتله پکار دی. What time did he give to you? هغه تا له څه وخت درکړی و. What time did he give to you? Everything will be settled. هر څه به ټیک شي. Everything will be settled. Button up your coat. د خپل کوټ بټن بند کا. Button up your coat. Go and blow your nose. ځه او خپله پوزه پاکه کا. Go and blow your nose. The patient is not out of danger yet. ناروغ اوس هم د خطرې نه بهر نه دی. The patient is not out of danger yet. It mean you have got a lot of experience. د دې مطلب ستا ښه تجربه ده. It mean you have got a lot of experience. Our society is worsening day by day. زمون معاشره ورځ تر ورځه خرابیږي. Our society is worsening day by day. Listen to others carefully with interest. نور خلق په توجه او دلچسپۍ سره اوره. Listen to others carefully with interest. You look younger than your age. ته د خپل عمر نه کم ښکاري. You look younger than your age. Beware of pickpockets. د جیب وهونکو نه هوښیار اوسه. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ د جیب وهونکو نه ځان ساته. Beware of pickpockets. Give up bad habits. خراب عادتونه پرېږده. Give up bad habits. Put it wherever you like. چې کوم ځای درته ښه ښکاري یې کېږدوه. Put it wherever you like. Don't shirk work. د کار نه ځان مه پټوه. Don't shirk work. Idleness is the root cause of all ills. ناراستی د ټولو بیماریانو زیله ده. Idleness is the root cause of all ills. Time once lost can't be regained. تللی وخت بیا په لاس نه راځي. Time once lost can't be regained. It appears he is of his wits. ښکاري د هغه هوش په ځای نه دی. It appears he is of his wits. Wake me up at 6 o'clock. ما په 6 بجې پاسوه. Wake me up at 6 o'clock. He keeps on teasing me. هغه ما تنګي. He keeps on teasing me. You keep on talking all the time. ته هر وخت خبرې کوي. You keep on talking all the time. I keep on missing you all the time. زه هر وخت تا یادوم. I keep on missing you all the time. He was once my friend. پس وخت کې هغه زما ملګری و. He was once my friend. He comes to me now and then. هغه زما خواله کله کله راځي. He comes to me now and then. There is nothing to fear. د یریدو هیڅ خبره نشته. There is nothing to fear. You are unnecessarily worried. ته بې ځایه خفه یې. You are unnecessarily worried. What difference does that make? د دې سره څه فرق پریوزي. What difference does that make? Do you have cash in the hand? آیا تا سره نغدی شته؟ Do you have cash in the hand? Don't do this to me. ما سره داسې مه کوه. Don't do this to me. I don't think if he knows it. ما ته نه ښکاري چې هغه ته پته ده. I don't think if he knows it. Make my bed. کټ راله سم کا. Make my bed. The milk has turned sour. پی پړسېدلي دي. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ پی تارو شوي دي. The milk has turned sour. Don't sit idle. بیکاره مه کښېنه. Don't sit idle. They exchange hot words. دوی د یو بل سره شر وکړو. They exchange hot words. He may come anytime. هغه کله هم راتلی شي. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ هغه هر وخت راتلی شي. He may come anytime. He will get in trouble because of you. هغه به ستا د وجې په مصیبت کې ګیر شي. He will get in trouble because of you. You made me out of a dead sleep. تا زه د جوور خوب نه پاسولم. You made me out of a dead sleep. Get lost from here. د دې ځای نه ځه. Get lost from here. Don't pluck flower. ګل مه شو کوه. Don't pluck flower. I've an upset stomach. زما هیټه خرابه ده. I've an upset stomach. He is irritable. هغه تنګونکی انسان دی. مطلب دا چې هغه تنګول کوي. He is irritable. Something is fishy. څه ګډبډ دي. Something is fishy. Such a foxy mind you have. څومره تیز دماغ دی ستا. Such a foxy mind you have. We are poles apart. ما او تا کې د ځمکې اسمان فرق دی. We are poles apart. Teacher hasn't come yet. استاز لا رانغی. Teacher hasn't come yet. You have come to the wrong place. تا غلط ځای ته راغلی. You have come to the wrong place. Hold firmly. کلک ونیسه. Hold firmly. It would be very kind of you. ستا به ډیره مهرباني. It would be very kind of you. I am under debt. په ما قرضه ده. I am under debt. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.